Eufy Cam wire-free HD security camera. Less trouble, more secure, ever expandable. One charge equals 365 days. Two mounting choices. Each camera comes with one magnetic indoor mount and one secure outdoor mount. That's what I'm interested in. How do we do that?
Is it taped or something? No, it's still plastic on. Alright.
Smile, you're on Eufy Cam.
Yeah. Alright.
Eufy.
Comes in this little blue box.
Very nice.
Fancy. And we've got this. Have questions about this product? Feel free to contact us. I wonder if this is empty. Nope.
That's stickers for the house. Oh yeah.
Yeah, stickers.
Oh yeah. Very nice.
And they're stuck in there, so you don't lose them. That's handy.
Good. Once we get it set up, we can put stickers on to tell everyone you're on camera. Ooh, there they are.
Alright.
That's the home thing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Your SD card, Ethernet, USB, power,
Reset. Yep.
speakers, home base, built-in backup battery. Unplug AC power adapter, press the button. Okay.
Is it very heavy?
2 kilo maybe? 1 kilo?
Oh yeah. So it has got a.
You can feel the shock.
It's not very heavy for a backup battery. But anyway.
But it is, it's got a little weight. Be careful grabbing these out. Remove the film before use. You're on camera. Camera reception.
Oh, yeah,
It's got
there's
a
the mount.
switch or maybe a plug. There's the mount.
And speaker.
Fancy.
Very good. So
We've got
2
two of
there.
Yeah.
There's meant to be 3, isn't there?
Oh, well, looks like this,
It's out.
if I can get it out.
And there's the third one.
There's the third one, hidden in the bottom. Same as
very
the other
heavy?
ones. Yeah,
Oh, actually, they are
About
quite
as-
heavy.
about the same as the base station, except the base station is bigger.
It makes sense that that battery would last a while. If most of that weight is battery, I'm assuming. What do we do?
Oh yeah, just more foam for the camera.
Oh, put that back.
And then we've got these 2 cardboard boxes.
Those have mounting gear for mounting. This is the interesting stuff. There you go.
Alright, so
Mounting screws. That would be a magnet. Oh no, it's a.
it's might be both, I don't know. But, this little
That looks
actual
like a
mount.
proper mount, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, don't it?
Like this would screw in back into the wall.
It's got all 3. It's got the screws for it as well. You can
Alright.
see.
Yep. And 3 mounts. So that one would have the magnetic mount, I'm assuming.
Probably. Oh well. Big one.
I need to drill. Yeah, these look like the mount. Oh, that's a charging thing.
Yeah, there's a
What's that?
mounts to me.
These are the magnetic ones, aren't they?
Yeah. They feel like a bit of a ball. Ah!
Very
Oh, it's shattered to a million pieces. There it is. It's just this Wow.
Holds up the camera, no problem. That's a really strong, hard to.
This is
Better.
weird. They've sealed it into two halves. There's this little. Check this out. They've sealed this bag in half.
Yeah, same. Why?
And there's this little thing here.
Oh, that's the power.
Here's the adapter.
Yeah, power adapter. That's for the base station. Okay.
Comes with its own Ethernet cable.
Ethernet cable.
Ethernet.
May or may not be useful. And a
Probably will be.
USB cable. Okay, so that's good.
That's the entire box.
That's it. So, we've got magnetic mounts for inside. We've got these mounts for outside, which are probably the most interesting things. Oh, so it mounts through there like that.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to have to drill some holes. Surely someone could just come along and undo that.
Yeah.
Oop, got the camera. I don't know.
Hopefully they won't figure that out.
Yeah.
We wrench it, tighten it with a wrench. Hopefully it
They're
doesn't break
meant
the
to have
plastic.
an alarm so that if they move, the alarm goes off.
Yeah.
I don't know.